Welcome to today's episode of Chopsticks to Travel. On today's episode, I am having lunch at a Thai restaurant. This restaurant has been on my must-try list for a long time. My first impression of the restaurant is that it is super cute. Contemporary furniture with a touch of Asian. So many interesting things to look at around the restaurant. I love these chandeliers. And these red booth seats are such a perfect pop of color against the dark gray walls. Nice! A nice amount of options on the lunch menu. While this is a Thai restaurant, they do also have sushi for you sushi lovers. Today I am starting with an appetizer. I ordered the chicken skewer, so delicious with the peanut dipping sauce. My son decided to join me for lunch. Usually when we eat at Thai restaurants, his go-to favorite dish is pad Thai. Today he has decided to take a chance and try the massaman curry chicken. I am such a curry person. I don't care if it is Caribbean curry, Indian curry, or Asian curry, I am eating. Today I have decided to try their Penang chicken curry. It arrived at the table smelling so good. And if you are like me, then you eat with your eyes before you even pick up the fork. Loving the presentation of the dish. I got a surprise. The Penang is a bit spicy, but not overly spicy. It has just the right amount of kick and spice while not being too spicy to enjoy. And the flavors of the sauce are delicious. A nice blend of sweetness from the coconut milk, blended with the heat and the curry flavor. Yum! It is so delicate that I have decided not to finish it. I will save some to eat for dinner later on. Well, it looks like we have reached the end of lunch. After finishing my lunch, I was looking for something sweet on the menu. To my surprise and disappointment, they did not offer me a dessert menu. I guess that I will have to come back one night for dinner and try the dessert. If you are like me, then you are always looking for different types of food to eat. Well, if Asian is at the top of your favorite food, I would definitely recommend that you check this restaurant out. Drop me a line in the comments and let me know what you ordered and what you think about the restaurant. The restaurant is beautifully decorated, has flavorful food and great service. If you live in Atlanta, Georgia or are visiting, then Osha Thai is a must-try restaurant. I hope that you have enjoyed watching this video as much as I have enjoyed sharing this restaurant with you. Stay tuned for our next adventure. Please like, share, and subscribe.